Okay, so today we are going to talk about creating a blog using blogger.com. Blogger.com is a very easy to use blog solution. And if we come up here in the address bar and we type in blogger.com, this is what we get. And you can create a blog by clicking the big Create a Blog button. We come in here and it says that you need to create a Google account. If you don't already have a Gmail account or a Google Docs account, something associated with Google, you'll want to create one so that you can use this service. I already have one, so I'm going to sign in here. And here we go. So I sign in. And it's going to ask you to name your blog. You're going to need to think of something catchy and fun, like Erin's 23 Things blog. Oops. And then you have to pick the blog address. Now this is what you type into the address bar right up here to locate your blog and to share that with people. So it needs to be unique. It has to be something that nobody else has picked. So let's see. Let's try EDH 23 Things. Let's check the availability. It is available. Great. And if it's not, just keep changing it and tweaking it just a little bit until it's unique enough for it to accept it. And then we need to come down here, and this is a CAPTCHA. This is word verification. And it's just asking you to read this funny looking text so that you can prove you're not a robot, which is good. I know you're not a robot. So go ahead and click continue. And then it will ask you to choose a template. You need to choose a look and a feel. And there's lots of different things to choose from. It's fairly customizable if you know HTML, but if you don't, they have it all laid out for you. Let's see. Wow, I think pink is a really pretty color. Let's pick This Away Rose. So if we click the little radio button, we can say okay. We can even preview the template by clicking here. Let's see, what does it look like? Oh, that's Scribe. Well, that's kind of pretty too. Let's go down. I'm going to preview This Way Rose. Jumps around a little bit. It's a little touchy. Here we go. Oh, I do like that. It's very nice. Okay, so we're going to pick that and say continue. All right, it was just as easy as that. You've created a blog. And just like that, you can start blogging. It's going to take us in here once I click on the little start blogging thing. Right in here, and you can see I'm in this specific blog of mine. I can make a new post, I can edit old posts, and I can moderate comments. If you're not interested in having just anybody comment on your blog, you can adjust that. Comment settings page. You should show comments so that you can have a dialogue with your readers. Registered users is the default option, but you can say users with Google accounts or anyone, including anonymous users. That really opens it up to just anyone being able to comment. And you can tell it about how you want the comments to come up and all that sort of good stuff. It's very easy to control. And you can do comment moderation down here. If you say comment moderation, sometimes they just want to do it on really old posts, but you can say always, and that means you will have to manually press a yes, publish this comment button for each comment that you get. That's probably the most closed down that you could be with your comments. But that's no big deal because you want people to comment, you want people to talk with you, so that's a good thing. But you can make your post right here back in the post tab. Make a new post titled Hello World. You can type in here just like you would. See how it looks like Microsoft Word? You can pick from several different fonts. There's colors. There's justification. You can align center, right, left, justify full. You can make bullet points. You can do quote blocks. You can even insert pictures and videos. It's very easy to do. You can type in here, this is my first post. Yay! And you can add labels so that you can keep track of what you're doing. So this was my blog post, and firsts. I've decided to label it that way. And you can say publish post. And it says, yay, you were successful. It's very encouraging. It encourages you every step of the way. And oh my goodness, here I am. Look, here's my 23 Things blog, my very first post. People can make a comment. They could encourage me. They could, talk about me. And over here, you can see since we're logged in, you can come down here. Here's the About Me. You can add a picture to your profile. You can customize and play around. Spend several hours playing around with your blog, getting to know how it works, getting a feel for what is kind of happening over here. Since we're logged in, you can also see this. That's you can edit the post using the little pencil icon. And you can tell other people. You can say, hey, if you want to read my blog postings, my post here at http://edh23things.blogspot.com. And it's very easy to do, easy to get started, and come up here and make a new post if you want. Get back here anytime. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope you're enjoying this first thing, a very important thing of our 23 things. And I hope to see you commenting on each other's blogs and having a lot of fun with this. So good luck.